In today's industrial environments, especially HVAC systems, water treatment plants, marine applications, and oil-gas facilities, actuators are no longer optional accessories. They are essential components for achieving stable, efficient, and intelligent flow control. Our valve actuators are engineered for high torque output, precise positioning accuracy, and rapid response speed, ensuring valves operate smoothly even under demanding pressure and temperature conditions. Whether used for on-off isolation or proportional control, they help maintain system stability while reducing manual intervention and operational risk.
Qingdao iFlow was established in 2010. We are a manufacturer and seller focusing on providing customers with high-quality, fully equipped valves, including accessories. We are a caring family. Ever since we started up, we have been delivering thoughtful care to customers to every detail as we could, address value customer needs, comply with regulations, respond quickly, quote competitively while strictly control quality and lead time. If you are looking for a reliable partner, look no further. We treasure the partnership with every customer, as we deeply understand that only by supporting you to achieve your success can we have our own healthy development.
If you are interested in our valves, please visit our website for more details and glad to receive your inquiries.